Alright, gonna make some shrimp scampi. We're gonna with pasta, and I've got some linguine. It's about 6 ounces. There's only 2 of us, so cook that to al dente. Okay, the pasta's almost done. I'll drain it off here in a little bit. I'm gonna start me a pan of olive oil and about, I guess, medium-high heat, and I've got some salt and peppered shrimp. It's large size, I guess. Actually, I used fajita seasoning I put on there for some extra flavor, but it's peeled and deveined or all that kind of stuff, and we'll get that going here in a minute. Before I drain the pasta, I'm going to get a little bit of water, pasta water there, to add to my sauce, and about 1/4 cup maybe. All right, I'm going to throw in the shrimp there. Doesn't take very long to cook it. About 3 or 4 minutes. It's all pink. On both sides, of course. Shrimp is looking pretty close. Almost ready. You don't want to cook it too long; it'll be rubbery. You can cook it a little bit longer than this with the white wine sauce. All right, so I've shrimp's done. Removed it from the heat. I've got a little bit more than 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna melt that, and we're gonna add the minced garlic. It's about, let's say, 1½ teaspoons, or about 2 cloves of garlic, probably. Like that. And I just got some parsley flakes I'm gonna add to that. Just a little bit, maybe ½ tablespoon. Let that cook until you can start smelling the garlic a little bit. And kind of when you stir it, you want to kind of scrape the stuff off the bottom. There's where the good stuff is at. You cook the shrimp. Okay, so now we got it all melted. And cut that down so I don't burn my butter or my garlic. Then we're gonna put our ½ cup of white wine in there and kind of reduce it down and turn it up now, since I got a little bit too low. We want to reduce that some. Okay, once that's kind of reduced some, we want to add back our shrimp. Alright, so once it's kind of cooked down some, we put our linguine in there and mix it around. If you want to, you can add a little bit of the pasta water that we took out. Make it a little bit saucier. Add a bit more butter if you want. I'm going to add some crushed red pepper flakes, just a little bit. It's optional. That's probably good. Oh, arm in the way. And we're pretty much done. My pan, this is hard to do one-handed. My pan's pretty much done. And there you go.